Deepseek. How does it actually work? So you first want to go to deepseek.com and then you can click on start now. You basically have to just either log in with your Google account or you can sign in as your Google account, or go ahead and create a new account using your email. So right now I have an example I did, where a train leaves New York, right? But let me show you first. You can go ahead and toggle this to dark mode as well. You can change the settings and now it looks much better, right? So this was an example prompt I gave it, where basically a train is leaving New York at a certain time, traveling, at 60 miles per hour, leaving Los Angeles 6 a.m., traveling east. So it's basically a question that does use some logical reasoning and mathematics. And I literally plug this into Deepseek. You literally chat with it like how you do with ChatGPT, and it gave me this response. And it took into account all the different variables, right? For example, when it's departing, the different speeds. It picked everything up. It gave me all the formula that it's using. It did the calculation within seconds, and I was surprised. It actually gave me the correct answer. With ChatGPT, what usually happens is, right, you give something and it makes a mistake. You have to correct it. Now look at this. I asked it to write a Python script, and then it did it. And I used Deepseek for this. You can just go ahead and toggle this on, right? And it's basically free. It's like the ChatGPT 01 model, which needs $200 a month, but this one is free, which is very, very powerful. And you can also go ahead and see its whole thinking process right here. As you can see, if you scroll down, and what actually caught my attention was this, okay? Right here, it went ahead and tested the function at the end before giving it to me and made sure that it's actually working. Right? ChatGPT doesn't do that. It just gives you the answer, gurgs it out, and now you have to correct it yourself and figure out if it's actually correct. Now you've given the explanation, the code, and everything like that. Now I asked it what the current US president is. I turned on the search function. You can also use Deepseek as well, but the server is currently having issues because of the recent attacks it is facing. So I did try it again in a new chat, as you can see right here. And it actually picked up over 37 results, okay, for the current US president. It went and it did a whole search. As you can see, everything is here. All the references are available, not like ChatGPT. It just hallucinates and gives you random references that don't actually work, links that don't actually work. As you can see, everything here is recent. Everything here does actually work. So let me close this. And as you can see, it also gives me other information. For example, what day the current president got inaugurated, and then showing that this is his second non-consecutive term, right? You can see who his vice president was, where this inauguration took place, and why it took place here, because of the weather, right? It gives you extra information. It also talks about his inaugural speech, and he said that this was a golden age of America. So it gives you more information as well, right? And it doesn't just give you like, okay, Donald Trump. It does give you more, but if you want, you can also go ahead and use this text extraction feature they have going on. And I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing